Daily success lesson. In life, we're going to have challenges. We're going to have challenges probably all the time. But the great thing about life is that you can start over. And one of the things that I do to start over, because Lord knows I've had many challenges, many setbacks, been disappointed in myself. I have disappointed others. Even in doing my best, I've disappointed others and myself, right? I was thinking earlier and listening to some of my mentors, and it's like, one of them said, it's easy for us to judge people where they are now, not realizing that the things that we thought 5 years ago or where we were 5 years ago, we would think of ourselves as idiots today. And I have to realize that. So number one, I'll put that in there because maybe some of the stuff I'm saying right now, when you hear me in 5 years, you may think I was an idiot. Hell, I may think I was an idiot, right? For some of the stuff that I'm saying. But the grace that I give myself is that there are a couple of times that I can start over. And for me, it's the first of the month. The first of the month is always a good time to say, you know what? I'm gonna start over. And the first of every week, be it your week, you feel like your week starts on Sunday or your week starts on Monday, it's a great time to say, this is a chance for me to start over. No matter where I am, I could be doing great and I can still start over and go back to the basics and go back and get that passion and that fire that I had for what I was doing, because maybe it kind of fizzled, as I was doing it, or maybe I just need to get my spirits back up, or maybe I just, it's interesting when we first start to do something that's exciting, that the excitement that we have, that emotion that we have, it's out of control. Like, we can't wait to get started. So the first of the month and the first of the weeks are times where we can go back and actually say, I'm finna give it my all. Like, I want that passion back. How do I get it back? What was the thing? And a lot of it is just what we're expecting from it, right? I think when we first start something, we have all of these, what do they call it? Dreams of grandeur or whatever that saying is. But we have that. And then when we get into the thick of it, we get smacked with reality, and reality humbles us and we lose that passion, that drive. And because of that, we start to, fizzle out and we lose focus. But if you could use the first of the month or the first of the week and just recalibrate and get that fire back, that passion back, that ability to say, you know what? This can still happen. Everything that I thought, even though I'm realizing I'm getting hit with opposition, and I can still do it, right? If you use the first of the month and the first of your weeks to get that back, it can really be unbelievable for your growth, because it's tough. I know I've lived it. I'm living it. I'm living proof. And because you live it yourself, right? I'm not telling you anything you don't know. So if you down, if things aren't going the way that you wanted, remember to use the first of the month and the first of your weeks to recalibrate and say, all right, cool, I'm back in the game, right? It's 0-0. Let's start over. I'm going to go at it with that same vigor that I had. I'm going to get that same passion back and go forth and make it happen, because it's one of the best things we can do in life. And that's the best thing. One of the best things I feel we have as human beings is that we can always start again. So use today, use the first of the week to start again. You have that ability. Daily success lesson.